angle. Okay, critical angle is the angle at refracted ray makes 90 angle with normal. That angle of incident is called critical angle. Prisha, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
What is critical angle, Prisha?
So when the angle of incidence reaches a point where the angle of refraction becomes 90 degree with the normal.
Very nice. Very nice. So that is called critical angle. Now, this refracted ray is grazing along the surface. Along the surface. It is called, I will say, it is an emergent ray. So this emergent ray is grazing along the surface. At a critical angle, emergent angle. So emergent ray, the ray which is coming out from the one medium, from the denser to rarer, this is the ray, it is comes out. So it is, I will call as an emergent ray. That ray, it is grazing along the surface, means it is passing along the surface. When it is passing along the surface, angle of refraction is 90 degrees. So this angle of refraction 90, then angle of incident, that we will call critical angle of incident. So angle of critical angle, it is only called critical angle. Kushi, clear?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is critical angle, Kushi?
Sir, it's an angle where the incident ray makes an 90-degree angle with the normal.
Again. Kushi.
So the incident ray which makes a 90-degree.
No.
At a certain point of incident, the incidence, the incident ray will make the normal angle.
No. Again, incident ray not. At a certain angle of incident, refracted ray makes angle 90.
Yes, sir.
Come on, what is that?
Sir, at a certain point of incidence, the refracted ray makes an angle with the normal 90.
Yes, that angle of incident is called critical angle. Am I clear?
Yes.
So,
Sir.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Yes, come on. See, when I'm increasing this angle of incident, angle of refraction also increases. At a certain angle of incident, refracted ray, it is called refracted ray. Refracted ray makes angle 90 with normal ray. Refracted ray makes 90 angle with normal. That angle of incident is called critical angle. Here, refracted ray angle is, it is not making 90 with normal. So this angle is not critical angle. So when I'm increasing, at one angle, what happened? At one angle of incident, refracted ray is passing through the surface. So this refracted ray making 90 angle with normal. That angle of incident is called critical angle. That is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this angle of incident is equal to critical angle. See here it is critical angle. At this, angle of refraction will be 90. At this critical angle of refraction is 90 degrees. Clear, everyone? Done is clear?
Yes, sir.
So now they will ask, what is the critical angle? If they ask, critical angle is the angle at which refracted ray makes 90 angle with normal. That angle of incident is called critical angle. Happily you can write. Now they can ask one more question. What are the conditions for the total internal reflection? Okay, now see. Now at this angle, what happened? that ray is passing through the surface. Now again this angle of incident I increased, means critical angle I increased. Angle of incident is more than critical angle. Again I am increasing angle of incident. What will happen? This ray will passes through rarer medium or again denser medium?
Denser medium.
It passes. So when I am increasing the angle of incident more than the critical angle, angle of incident is no angle of incident is I am making like this. So it is the angle of incident. Now this angle of incident is more than the critical angle. Now this refracted ray will comes to the denser medium. So it is called total internal reflection, means no other light ray is passing through the rarer. Total light, whatever the light is incident on this surface, the total light will comes back to the same medium. Which medium? Denser medium. So if angle of incident is more than the critical angle, then total internal reflection takes place. Clear? Clear, everyone?
No, sir. Can you repeat it again?
Come on. I will repeat. Look at this. First step. You can understand clearly. First step. Denser, rarer, normal. One of the angle of incident. So it is called angle of refraction. Sorry. It is the angle of incident. So it is my angle of refraction. Now what I am doing, I am increasing the angle of incident. Look at this. I am increasing angle of incident. So when I increase angle of incident, even angle of refraction also increasing. It is angle of refraction and it is angle of incident. Angle of incident I increased. Now little more I will increase the angle of incident. Little more I will increase the angle of incident. Like this. It is the angle of incident. At this angle of incident, what happened? Refracted ray, not here, not here. Refracted ray is along the surface. So refracted ray is making angle 90 with the normal. This is called critical angle. Did you understand this step?
Yes, sir.
Now what happened? Again, I'm increasing the angle of incident little bit. Again, I'm increasing the angle of incident. So I will make angle of incident is like this now. I increase it again. So this refracted ray will comes to the,
Greater than 90.
so it comes to this medium.
Yes, sir.
So it is called reflection
Yes, sir.
because in which, from the which medium
Because
light
they
is,
are in the same plane.
yes, same plane. Come on. So this is called total internal reflection. Means when the incident angle is more than critical angle, incident angle is more than the critical angle, then total internal reflection takes place. Understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
So when you are increasing the angle of incident, again total light will come to the same medium only. Only at critical angle, refracted ray passes through the surface. More than the critical angle, if you incident light, the total light will come to the same medium. This is called total internal reflection. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now see, conditions for total internal reflection. You can understand clearly. Conditions for total internal reflection. Conditions for total internal reflection, TIR. Conditions for total internal reflection. So first condition. What is the first condition? Light always travel from denser to rarer. Light always travel from denser to rarer. If light travels from rarer to denser, total internal reflection you won't get. If you want to get the total internal reflection, light should travel from denser to rarer only. Am I clear? First point. Am I clear? First point.
Yes, sir.
Kushi, did you understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
Second condition. What is my second condition? Angle of incident is more than the critical angle. Angle of incident is more than the critical angle. At this point, at this angle, refraction stops. Refraction stops. Only reflection. Which reflection? Only total internal reflection will happen. TIR only will happen. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Come on. This angle is more than the critical angle. If angle is more than the critical angle, total internal reflection takes place. Refraction stops. Now tell me, critical angle of incident equal to critical angle means what will happen? Angle of incident is equal to critical angle. Then what will happen? Anybody? Angle of incident equal to critical angle. Then what will happen?
The ray moves along the surface.
The ray moves. The ray moves along the surface. Along the surface. That means angle of refraction, how much? Prisha, how much angle of refraction? Hello, Prisha, can you hear me? 90 degrees. Sainika, clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Critical angle, did you understand clearly what is critical angle? And more than the critical angle means what will happen? Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So conditions for critical angle is these two. What are the two? Light always travel from denser to rarer. And second condition is angle of incidence should be greater than the critical angle. Then only total internal reflection you will get. The refraction stops. Clear? Now look at this. So what is the formula? So how to calculate that, sir? Critical angle, how to calculate? What is the formula? Now I'm going to explain. Banu Prasad, am I clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Danush? Danush? Likita?
Yes, sir.
Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right?
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. Kushi? Kushi, any doubt? Tejaswini? Is she present today? Lakshmi? Okay. Now look at this. What is the formula? Sir, how we will get the formula? Look at this. It is the surface. It is splitting two mediums. One is denser, one is rarer. Okay. From this, it is denser and it is rarer. Now, I will take one of the normal because I will give one of the incident ray here. It is the incident ray and it is my angle of incident. And I will take it the critical angle. So light ray is passing through this. When light ray is passing through this, refracted ray, angle of refraction equal to 90 degrees. I will take this medium, denser medium, refractive index is mu2. Rarer medium, refractive index is mu1. Mu1 is the refractive index of rarer medium. Mu2 is the refractive index of denser medium. That's what I have taken. Prisha, clear?
Sir, please explain it again.
So now light ray is passing from denser to rarer, okay?
Yes, sir.
At critical angle, what will happen? Refracted ray is 90, right?
90-degree and raising the surface.
Yes. Now I am taking mu2 is the refractive index I told in the first class.
Yes,
What?
sir.
So it is refractive index of second medium. Mu1 is the refractive index of first medium, okay?
Yes, sir.
So denser medium I will take as a water. Rarer medium I will take as a air, okay?
Okay.
So refractive index of medium is mu1 and refractive index of medium 2. Now at this point, what I'm going to do, apply Snell's law. Apply Snell's law at surface. Apply Snell's law. Kushi, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So according to Snell's law, mu2 sine I equal to mu1 sine R. Am I clear? Sine I by sine R. That is what I did. Nothing is there. So mu2 sine I equal to mu2 sine R. Sainika, am I clear? Hello. Likita, am I clear? Likita?
Yes, sir.
So I applied Snell's law at this point. So mu2 sine I is equal to mu2 sine R. Now it is the equation 1. Okay. We want to take angle of incident equal to how much here? Can you say what is the angle of incident here? How much angle of incident?
Sir, see.
Yes, angle of incident equal to C because angle of incident equal to critical angle here. Okay. Angle of refraction how much?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. Substitute these values in this equation. So mu2 sine C equal to mu1 sine 90 degrees. So mu2 sine C equal to mu1 sine 90 equal to 1. Am I clear? Okay. So from this, sine C, sine C equal to mu1 by mu2. Sine C equal to mu1 by mu2. And we know that mu1 is small, mu2 is big value because mu1 is the refractive index of rarer medium. How much? Mu1 1. Okay, that value is 1. Mu1 value is 1. Mu2 value is big. Okay, so let mu1 equal to 1. So sin C equal to 1 by mu2. Sin C equal to 1 by mu2, because mu1 equal to 1. Radar medium refractive index is 1. So second medium I will take as a mu. So it is called critical angle formula. Sin C equal to 1 by mu. That is the critical angle. So mu1 by mu2 is smaller than 1. Definitely mu1 by mu2 is smaller than 1. Why? Because mu1 is small, mu2 is big. So this value you will get smaller than 1 only, no? Smaller than 1. So critical angle also smaller than 1 only. Critical angle also smaller than 1 only. This is the formula, right? Here what I am saying, mu1 is small value, mu2 is big value. So definitely this value you will get to less than 1. If it is the less than 1, even the sign critical angle also less than 1 only. Write down that. Prisha, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Derivation is okay, right? So if they ask derivation, critical angle, so just apply the Snell's law. Then take here I equal to C, R equal to 90, substitute, that you will get. So it is only called critical angle formula. Keep in your mind this one or this one, anything. Here what I took, rarer medium is 1 value. That's what I given. Otherwise mu1 by mu2 also no problem. This is only formula for critical angle. Now problems on critical angle. So which type of problems they will ask? How to solve that? Come on. Sainika, can you hear me? Ritesh? Ritesh? Sanchit? Kushi?
Yes, sir.
Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
So which type of problem they can ask? How to solve that? Come on. So first problem on total internal reflection. So before solving the first problem, look at this. Prisha,
Yes, sir.
if angle of incident equal to critical angle, what will happen?
Sir, the refracted ray will be 90 degree with the
Angle
normal.
of refraction equal to 90 degrees. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If angle of incident is more than critical angle, what will happen?
Sir, total internal reflection.
Total
will
internal
happen.
reflection will happen. If incident ray, sorry, angle of incident is smaller than the critical angle, what will happen?
Sir, the regular refraction will occur.
Yes, refraction occurs. Refraction occurs. Clear points?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the critical angle formula? Right? Refractive index of one medium to refractive index of another medium. Clear? Remember this point in the total internal reflection. Tell me what are the conditions that total internal reflection? Prisha, what are the conditions that you have to follow to get the total internal reflection?
Sir, angle of incidence must be greater than critical angle.
Then
And sir, the reflection must always occur from denser to rarer medium.
once again. No, light should always
Light
travel.
always travels from denser to rarer medium.
Yes. Now see the first question. First type of problem. Find critical angle. Find critical angle if light passes from air, that is refractive index equal to 1, to glass, mu equal to 1.5. Find out refractive index now. Sorry, find out critical angle. Risha, what we have to do?
Sir, refractive index of rarer medium upon refractive index of denser medium.
So 1 by 1.5, right?
Yes, sir.
So sin C equal to 1 by 2 by 3. Can I? Sorry, 3 by 2. Can I?
Yes, sir.
So sin C equal to 2 by 3. Can I?
Yes, sir.
So C equal to sin inverse 2 by 3. Can I?
Yes, sir.
So sin inverse 2 by 3 equal to 42 degrees. Keep in mind. So critical angle equal to 42 degrees. Am I clear now?
Yes, sir.
So first problem they can ask, first type of problems. This type of problem they can ask based on the formula. Once if you know the formula. Now see, refractive index equal to 1.5. Refractive index of glass is 1.5. What does it mean? What it is telling? If refractive index is 1.5, then so what will happen? Anybody? Refractive index of glass they have given 1.5. What is it? What is the meaning of that? So if refractive index is 1.5, so what will happen?
Sir, it means that light is moves slower in the glass.
Yes, 1.5 times slower in the glass when you are comparing with air. Done?
Air.
Yeah,
Yes,
very
sir.
nice. Come on, Fisha. Good. So that is the meaning of refractive index. Clear? Second question. Kushi, am I clear, Kushi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see the second question. Which type of, this type of questions mostly they will ask you. Definitely mostly this type of question they will ask you. Sin C equal to mu 1 by mu 2. Okay, leave that. See that. What is the question? Shit. Okay. It is the air medium. I know that we know that it is the air medium. It is glass, take that. And one light is instant like this. Light ray is instant like this. Complete the ray diagram. Complete the ray diagram. And glass refractive index is, so glass critical angle is they have given 42 degrees. Critical angle they have given 42 degrees for this medium. Means at 42 degrees centigrade, at 42 degrees, there is a critical angle. After more than 42 degrees, what will happen more than 42 degrees if light ray incident? If light ray incident more than 42 degrees, what will happen?
Total internal reflection.
Yes, done. Come on. Now what will you do? So it is incident like this. Shall I take it is 90?
Yes, sir.
So wherever the light ray incident there, I will take one normal. It is my normal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is how much? It is 45, right? Then it is 45. Am I clear?
Sir, how will it be? They did not
Yes.
give a question.
They did not given the question. It is 90, right?
Yes, sir.
Then total internal angle, how much here? Total internal angle of this triangle? Bhanu Prasad?
180, sir.
Total is 180, right? So here also 90.
Sir, it can be 60, 30 like that.
So okay, feel like with 45 degrees it is instant. Feel like it is instant at 45 degrees here. Okay, 45 degrees it is instant. Now what will happen? Tell me.
Sir, it will come down, sir. Reflect.
Because this angle of instant is more than the 42. So light ray cannot go out because angle of instant is more than the critical angle. If angle of incidence is more than the critical angle, so reflection takes place. So it comes. It comes. Then it will become how much? It is 45. 45. Then it is 90. It will become 45. It is also 45. So light ray will come like this. So it is coming out. So they will ask you to find the they will ask you complete the ray diagram. So like that they can ask. So we will see one more two questions I will explain. Come on. Look at this one more question. One more question. See this. $60 they have given. This air and critical angle they have given C equal to 42 degrees. And refractive index of this is 3/2. Refractive index of this is 3/2. Now tell me, how light will, Prisha, how light passes? Find angle of refraction. Find out angle of refraction. Okay. Prisha,
Yes, sir.
How light passes?
Sir, the greater than critical angle.
It is angle of incident, right?
Yes, sir.
No. Angle of incident is, this is the angle of incident. Why? Because normal is this, right?
Normal.
So 30 degrees. So angle of incident how much?
Less than the critical angle.
So what will happen light?
Uh, Sir, refraction.
Refract. So it is my angle of refraction.
Yes, sir.
So we have to find out what is the angle of refraction. What is the angle of refraction we have to find. So if you want to find out what is the angle of refraction here, what will you do? Snell's law. Snell's law we have to apply. Tell me, what is the Snell's law? Tell me the Snell's law here.
Sir, nu to sin I is
Like
equal.
mu g sine 30. Sine I means 30 only, no?
Yes, sir.
And mu 1, it's like
Nu
mu
1
8.
sin
Mu 1
R.
sine
Sin R.
r. We have to find out r only, no?
Yes, sir.
So mu g means how much? 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Sine 30, 1 by 2. Mu 1 equal to 1 sine r. So 3 by 4 equal to sine r. So r equal to sine inverse 3 by 2.
Sin inverse 3 for
R
3
equal
by
to sine inverse 3 by 4. So R equal to sine inverse 3 by 4. It is nearly equal to 49 degrees. It is nearly equal to 49 degrees. Even this type of question they can ask you. They can ask even this type of questions also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
One more question. So angle of incident or angle of refraction always we have to take from the normal. Remember, normal ray. From that only we have to take. How to draw normal? Any surface. It is the surface. Just a minute. See, it is the surface. Wherever the light incident, there you have to draw normal, perpendicular to the surface. Normal should be at perpendicular to the surface. If light is incident here, perpendicular to the surface, you have to draw the normal. If light is incident here, we have to draw perpendicular to the normal. Normal is, we have to draw perpendicular to the surface. So this normal is always perpendicular to the surface, not for ray. Not for ray. This normal is always perpendicular to the surface. Wherever the light incident, there perpendicularly to the surface, you have to draw normal. Keep in mind. That is called normal. One more question. (42 degrees I given, and its critical angle is 42 degrees. Complete the ray diagram. Complete the ray diagram. Can you complete the ray diagram now?
Sir, along the surface.
Along the surface, huh? Okay. Now what will happen here? At this point, we have to draw one normal. If we draw normal, it is 42, it is 48 degrees. So angle of incident is more than the critical angle. If angle of incident is more than the critical angle, what will happen? Prisha, what will happen?
Sir, I wasn't able to hear it. Can you please repeat it again?
Yes. Likita,
Yes, sir.
angle of incident is more than the critical angle. What will happen, Likita?
Total internal reflection.
So reflection. Okay. So again, it is instant on this surface. So wherever it is instant, there we have to draw one normal. Okay. So it is 48. It is how much? It is how much? Likita? 40. It is how much?
Will it be 90 minus 48, sir?
Vaira. Angle of incident equal to angle of reflection, no?
48 degrees.
If it is 48, it is how much? If it is 48, it is how much? Alternate angles.
48 degree.
It is how much?
42.
42. Now angle of incident is 42. Critical angle also 42. What will happen? Angle of incident is 42. Critical angle also 42. Refracted ray. What will happen? It will refract or what will happen?
Along the surface.
Along the surface. So this is the diagram. Now angle of refraction equal to 90 degrees. Clear? Prisha, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Kushi?
Yes, sir.
Kushi, any doubts, ma?
No, sir.
In total internal reflection, you understood, right? Hello? Hello? Kushi? Rachana, am I clear, Rachana? Understand clearly? Hello? Rachana? Am I clear? Sainika? Sainika? Dhanush?
Yes, sir.
Clear, ma?
Sir, I have internet problem. I'm not able to hear properly, sir. Your voice was cracking in between.
Oh. Nikita?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right?
No doubt, sir.
One more question. Last and final question in this total internal reflection. Sorry. It is 60 degrees. It is 30 degrees. Find angle of refraction. Find angle of refraction. Find angle of refraction. And this one they have given 3 by 2. Mu g equal to 3 by 2. Critical angle is equal to 42 degrees. Critical angle equal to 42 degrees. Bhanu Prasad?
Sir.
Solving?
Yes, sir. First, total internal reflection, sir.
Yes.
Then it will incident at 30 degrees.
It will instant. So
60 degrees.
it
Again.
is also 60. So it is 60, right?
Yes, sir. It will incident at
It will be 30 degrees, right? So angle of incident equal to 30 degrees. Angle of incident equal to 30 degrees. Once if angle of incident equal to 30 degrees means angle of incident is less than the critical angle. Prisha, what will happen?
The refraction.
So this ray, it goes away from this, right? My refraction is always goes away from it, no? So this is the angle of refraction. So you have to calculate this. Equal to how much? How much we have to calculate? So what will you do now? To calculate angle of refraction, what we have to do? Hello? To calculate angle of refraction, what we have to do?
Sir, mu g sine.
Yes. Mu g sine 30 equal to mu 1 sine r, right?
Sir, answer 49 degrees.
Okay. Answer 49 it seems. See. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Mu 1 is 1 sine r. So sine r 3 by 4. R equal to sine inverse 3 by 4. Before we discussed nearly equal to 49 degrees. Yes. That is 49 degrees. So it is about the total internal reflection. So total internal reflection, when they're asking problems, either they will ask based on this formula, or they can ask complete the diagram. They can ask after the complete the diagram, or they can ask find out the even angle of refraction also. So when you are finding the angle of refraction, Snell's law, where you have to find out the angle of refraction, there you have to apply the Snell's law. Then you will get. Nikita, clear?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right?
No doubt, sir.
This is about the total internal reflection. So total internal reflection means when it will takes place, there are two conditions. Light should always pass from denser to rarer, and second condition is angle of incident is more than the critical angle, then only total internal reflection takes place. Okay, so in the next class I'm going to explain about atoms. Only one class I will take for this lesson, don't absent. Now here see, before when we are going to discuss about the atom, we know atom is a subatomic particle, we can't divide. Even in the atoms there are subatomic particles like protons, electrons, or neutrons are there, but the structure of the atom studied by so many scientists, so many members, they have studied about the structure of the atom. First one is Thomson.
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, apparent depth you did not do.
I will do later. Apparent depth, that concept is there, or for exams. Just a minute, Usha. Even that concept, current. Optics, reflection, spherical mirrors, mirror formula, scattering of light, blue color of light, this and all they have removed. Apparent depth concept, it's not there, I think. No, refraction is there. Yeah. Refraction, yeah, that concept is there. In the next class I will explain even that concept also, just that is just 10 minutes, that's all. So 10 minutes I will explain that concept. Refraction, dual nature, nuclear, semiconductors. Still 3 lessons are there. Okay, 3 lessons are there. I will explain the next class that. Kushi,
Yes, sir.
how many lessons completed the revision for your board exams, like free board?
Sir, nothing, sir.
Still you have to start, huh?
Yes, sir. You have to start with pre-board, sir, because they haven't finished the portions yet.
Did you understand what is total internal reflection, Kushi?
Yes, sir.
Prisha?
Yes, sir.
How many lessons you have completed revision?
Sir, the beginning ones and the way light ones, I'm still practicing them.
I think you didn't attend for some of the classes for ray optics, right?
Yes, sir. So I'm trying to complete that.
Okay. What about wave optics?
Sir, couldn't hear you, sorry.
What about wave optics?
Yes, sir, I'm practicing that only because I missed the classes.
Okay. So next class, don't absent, Prisha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Within one class, if I complete one lesson, maybe something information will be there. Okay. I can complete the total lesson or just 80% of the lesson I will complete. Okay. In that
Yes, sir.
20%, I will say in the next class and I will continue with one more lesson also.
Sir,
So
from
mostly,
atom chapter, how many marks will come for board exam?
which lesson? Which lesson?
Atoms, sir.
I didn't get. Atoms,
Atom
huh?
chapter, yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. One minute. Atoms, right? Just a minute. No, they didn't mention pa. But Bhanu Prasad,
Yes, sir.
they didn't remove anything. 5 mark question, one is guarantee, no doubt in that. And we can guess also which type of question they will give. And one is 2 mark question, total 7 marks or something. But one 5 mark question is guarantee. That we can guess also from that question lesson. Okay. Nothing they removed from that lesson. So we can expect one 5 mark question from that. Yes, one 5 mark question from that lesson. And 2 mark question also they can ask. Either problem or 5 mark question. Problems also easy. Rachana, can you hear me or not? Rachana? Likita, how many lessons you completed in my revision?
6 lessons, sir.
First part or so what?
First book only, sir.
First part you completed a revision also?
Not fully, sir, only 6 lessons.
Then I should start with the revision plus important questions and all I should. Okay. What about wave optics?
That I have to start, sir.
How many lessons we completed PDF? Any
I
idea?
think 2, sir.
PDFs.
Yeah, sir, 2 lessons, I think.
We completed PDF only 2 lessons.
Yes, sir.
Bhanu Prasad, we did first lesson already. You completed PDF, right? First and second lesson we completed PDF, right?
Sir, in the class will complete.
Which one? Yeah, we completed PDF. No, which topics we completed? First lesson and second lesson PDF we completed, and in class electromagnetic induction PDF that we completed in the class, right? Hello.
Sir, in the class only 2 we completed.
Total how many we completed? Total how many PDFs that we completed? Likita,
In class, we did only 2, sir.
yes, class we did 2, and first 2 lessons,
That we only solved, sir.
yes. How many we completed? How many you completed? Not we. How many you completed?
Sir, 5.
5 What are that?
So first two chapters only one PDF, sir.
Yes.
Then current electricity, some 10-15 questions are there, sir, that I'll complete and send, sir. Then
Okay.
magnetism I completed and EMI chapter.
Magnetism, that we discussed in the class, right?
That concept you explained, sir, but a few questions we did, sir, in class, but rest we only did.
Okay. And one more, electromagnetic induction, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to do PDF for AC currents. With the revision, AC current we have to do. So and
Sir,
wave
moving
optics,
charges and magnetism.
moving charge and magnetism we completed or not? Bhanuprasad, that PDF is there in the Google Classroom? Nikita,
1 second, sir, I'll check and tell.
moving charge and magnetism it seems. So because some of the competitive examinations are coming, no? So we should each and every question, at least model question we have to see. By December ending, mostly we have to complete first year portions, some of the portions, and even second year portions also.
Sir, we didn't solve moving charges.
But PDF is there, huh?
It's there, sir.
Yes, sir, is there.
Oh God, okay. Moving charge and magnetism we have to do. So I will send even Atom's PDF also, because once if I complete that lesson, that PDF we have to solve immediately. Atoms is important. Topics also less, and concept also easy. Once if you understand clearly, so atoms will complete in the classroom only. Did you get ray optics PDF? The ray optics and
No, sir.
no, huh? So okay. What about AC currents PDF? Nikita, AC current PDF that we got or not?
1 second, sir, I'm checking.
Oh, check once in the Google Classroom that PDFs are there or not, because each and every PDF there are some different types of model problems are there. Very useful for C KSET, easily you can get once if you solve that easily. Even that much of standard questions also they won't ask in the KSET. All theory questions and other practical questions if you solve, that is more than enough. Last year questions also I will discuss in the class, like last year CBSE questions also. That is very helpful for KSET also. Nikita, it is there, huh?
Sir, AC is not there.
It's not there, sir.
Oh, AC is more weightage, yeah. Okay, AC currents and wave optics, ray optics. AC, wave optics, ray optics, that we have to send.
So totally only 5 PDFs are there, sir.
Totally 5, only that is from the first book only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will send. I will send. But whatever you solved, please upload. I am correcting also. I corrected some of the things once. See. Even I'm seeing how many members they solved. Only 2 members, 2-3 members. Bhanu Prasad is there. Nikita is there. Kushi is there. Prisha is not. Prisha first she should complete the portions. Revision she has to complete. Rachana, I didn't see anything that Rachana uploading. I know what she is doing because I can't hear. She is not speaking. From 3 months, she didn't even speak. Only just message. That's all. She can understand or not. Oh, how to find that? Remaining no one. Even Dhanush also is not sending anything. He is not uploaded anything. Chirag also not uploaded anything. I don't know when these people will upload some. At least first levels also you have to submit, no? First levels are useful for your board exams or anything. Please complete that and upload. Next Sunday you have examination 70 marks. And don't absent this 10 days, whatever the 10 days are there, 10 days don't absent, because I'm going to complete the lessons. After I will start the PDFs and all, no problem. We have time even for the competitive. So much time is there. First year portions, I don't explain each and everything. Important concepts only I will complete. From which topics they are asking question, that topics I will complete. Okay, see you in the next class, ma. Nikita, we'll see in the next class. But don't absent today onwards, don't absent the classes. If you absent, I'm telling, you can't write the competitive level examination. Because now we are completing the portions. Once if we complete the portions, I will explain that all competitive level examinations only. So please don't have. If you absent, that is your business. That's all. I can't do anything. Kushi, okay? We'll see in the next class, Kushi. Nikita.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.